Mathematics Multiplication Part 1, Grade 4. What are we going to learn today? Today we are going to learn 2 times table, 5 times table and 10 times table. And to multiply 2-digit numbers by 2, 5 and 10. Finally, to write statements and solve a given statement question. Let's learn the 2 times table now. Read the 2 times table with me. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 10 is 20. Now children, find the numbers to fill in the blanks. These questions are from 2 times table. Can you do it alone? Let's learn 5 times table now. Read it with me. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. Now let's do some questions on 5 times table. Find the numbers to fill in the blanks. It is the same as 2 times table, children. Can you do it? Next we have 10 times table. Read it with me, children. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. Like we did in 2 times and 5 times, here also you have to find the numbers to fill in the blanks. These questions are based on 10 times table. Do it quickly, children. Okay, now look at these examples. We will first do the pink color box 2 times. When you have to multiply 2 digits numbers by 2 times, what you have to do is like this. 2 times 2 is 4. So you write 4 down. Then 2 times 4 is 8. So you write it down. Then the answer is 84. Understood? Okay, then 5 times. You know that 5 times 4 is 20. But we can't straight away write 20 there. So we write 0 and keep the 2 aside. Then we find 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Now we add that remaining 2 to this 10 and write the answer as 12. So 5 times 24 is 120. Now we have 10 times. When you multiply by 10 times, what you have to do is you just have to put a 0 at the end of the number. Look here, the number we have to multiply is 46. What you have to do? You have to just put a 0 at the end. So, the answer is 460. Easy, isn't it? Okay, children, now it's your turn to do the questions. Simplify the following. Check the answers now. A. 58, B. 70, C. 65, D. 135, E. 470, F. 710. Did you get them correct? Well done. Now let's do a statement question. Look at the example, children. There are 2 questions in each lesson. How many questions are there in 35 lessons? So look at the pink color words I have put. 2 questions, 35 lessons. Those are very important. You have to make statements out of those 2 pink color words. Okay? So the first statement must be number of lessons because that is the biggest number. Number of lessons equal 35. Then number of questions in a lesson, which is 2. Third statement is number of questions in all the lessons. The answer is 70. How did we find the answer as 70, children? Yes, we multiplied 35 by 2. Then we got the answer as 70. Okay, children. Do you understand how to write statements now? And there is one important thing you have to remember. You have to always write multiplication sign when you do statements. Okay, children? Now it's your turn to solve the following by writing statements. Are you ready? Question number 1. There are 5 pencils in a box. How many pencils are there in 19 boxes? 2. There are 35 children in a class. How many children are there in 10 such classes? Check your answers, children. Number of boxes equals 19. Number of pencils in a box equals 5. Total number of pencils in all the boxes equals 95. Second one, number of children in a class equals 35. Number of classes equals 10. Total number of children in all the classes equals 350. Did you get them correct, children? Well done. We learned the lesson multiplication part 1 today. I have a challenge for you. Simplify the given sums on your personal whiteboard within 2 minutes. Can you do it? That is all from me today, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.